rhythm, feel it deep as he dives into the unknown. Adam's groove will make you move, you'll never feel alone. Adam's cool and he's hip, he'll take you on a trip, the paranormal Polynesian. Whether spooky or fun, or a tale he has spun, the paranormal Polynesian.
Do you like my peaches? They're so ripe and delicious. Ooh, soft, decadent. Fresh peaches. Hey guys, Adam the Paranormal Polynesian here. When I'm not traveling looking for haunted and fun places, I'm eating. So today we're going to make a delicious peach cobbler. It's peach season. These are getting really ripe. They're mushy. Well, this one's getting mushy. They're fresh. What if I told you could make peach cobbler with just 4 ingredients? This many. Well, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Let me just pull my sleeves up. First off, if you want to get the skins off these easily, a little trick you can do is you just score an X, see that, on the bottom of each peach. And then we're going to stick this into some water. Boiling, of course. Just for a minute to blanch it. And then it should make the skin come right off. Now, when my mom used to make peach cobbler, it was very simple. I feel like this is going to be like that. I haven't made it in years, but a simple 4-ingredient recipe. Can't mess that up. Okay, I'm just going to grab these peaches. And I'm just going to put them in this pot of boiling water. Oh, pot of boiling water. We're just gonna give them a minute. Oh, I should have put more water in there. Okay, well, pretend it's just, you know what? Let's just do them in batches. Let's use our brain today. Here, Okay, this should just be that quick. So, I'm gonna bring this over here. I'm gonna drop these into the sink. And let's just get the rest of these in here. Okay, just give it about, 45 to 60 seconds. Okay, now that these have been pulled out of the water, you can see how the skin just comes right off. Super, super easy. And listen, I'm all about not doing dishes, so I'm gonna just cut this peach into this 9x13 Pyrex dish that I'm going to be baking in. Just cut it up in slices. Ooh, these look delicious. Doesn't need to be fancy. This is rustic. Okay, now to these peaches, I'm going to just add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using this organic cane sugar, and I feel like it's going to make it weird, but we'll see what it does. Yeah. Now, if you're feeling real nasty, you can add some vanilla extract, some cinnamon, some nutmeg. But I just want the essence of summer here. I don't want anything else but these 4 ingredients. So peaches, sugar, 2 ingredients. Now we're going to set that aside and make our topping. So now we're going to make the topping that goes on this. Very, very easy. So 1 cup of self-rising flour. Just put that in your mixing bowl. And then we're going to put half a cup of sugar. I'm going to turn this on slowly. And then we have a half a cup of melted butter. It needs to be melted. And you just want to gradually add that in to the flour and sugar. Ooh, this is looking good. Turn that up a little bit. Don't overmix this. I think that's good enough. Now this is going to feel dry, but that's okay. There's butter in this, so it is going to get in there and get melty. Do we see this here? We're just sprinkling it on like it's Colombian coke at a white party in Miami. Not that I've ever been. It smells so good. I know I've said that already, but okay, see that? It's all, oh, it's a slippery little guy. Sorry. Okay, into the oven this is gonna go. 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. It's bubbling and getting ready to come out soon. Oh, it's done. Oh, it smells delicious. Let's cut into this. Ooh, it's nice and solid, hefty. Ooh. Just focus camera. You can see all the peaches melted into the buttery crust. This topping. Okay, we've got to taste this. Okay, let's taste it. Get a little peach, a little bit of the topping. Here we go. One more bite. I don't know what it is. If you use fresh peaches, it makes all the difference in the world. It just tastes so much better. This crust is so buttery. It's not too sweet at all, which I like. I don't like too much sugar. This is really, really good. And there's something about just simple ingredients that makes it even better. I'm gonna save that for later. Well, thanks for coming along with me today to make this delicious peach cobbler. If you like travel videos, food, cooking, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And maybe try this recipe right here. I go like this. Right here. Wait. Oh, that's better. Right here.